Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down again to localize this ringtone and other sounds, and let's tap on this first option. There we've got two different kind of sections where we can change the ringtone. So here we've got pre-installed options, and under it we've got this on-device option. So it means that if you've got anything downloaded for example, from the internet, it will appear right there, and you'll be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. But let me choose something maybe from the classic themes. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see there, we've got some options. In order to listen how the particular option sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it along with the vibrations. So if you will decide that you like a specific option and if you want to use it, make sure that it is marked, like in my case this romance option, and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, and also here we've got this romance, which means that we just successfully applied the ringtone and your device will use it whilst notifying you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.